Hello creative designers and welcome on today's story. My name is Peter. Head on to the studio. We're just going to see how we can be able to add a sticky section on scroll on page. Like for instance, I have just this section and I want it to be sticky on scroll. This is how it is gonna work. You see, all upon reaching to the top of the page, it's just sticky until the end of the column now comes in and it carries it upward. That's the tutorial for today. I'm just going to show you how you can also spice and add some motions here and there that you can always work with. Like you can have whenever you just hover with the mouse, you just have a different effect. Without further ado, let's just get into action and I'll show you how. Once you just identify the section, you just want to make it sticky. All you just need to do is just click the inner section because it's an inner section, but you just want to make it sticky. Just click on it like here and just select advanced and you scroll now to you have the motion effect, and you can have a sticky and you can say either you want it on bottom or on. It has two features you can always play with, and it has either top or bottom for that easy. And you can see that doesn't work for that. And the other thing, let me just use top one here. You can see just sticky, and it just when you just scroll to the end of the page, they just extend, but we don't want to have this. The other thing is that you can see the space between here, the header, and where the sticker section is located. It's just so what you just need to do is you can increase the offset here and you can add maybe something to like 240. You can see where it is now located. It is far from where it is now, so I can add something like 100. And I try to scroll up and you can see the pixel, the 100 pixel between the header and all that. You can see it is now just amazing. The other thing is now I just wanted to, when it just lead to the end of the column, it just scroll with the page. So I just turn this on, stay on the column, and with that, whenever I just scroll and just lead to the end of the column, it will just move on top like that. That's how you can add. The other thing you can be able to do is you can add so many other features. Like you can go to the motions and you can say the scroll effect, you can say vertical, we have like rotate, and see on scroll, you see the speed, you can increase the speed here, and you can say to light, and you see on scroll it just rotate. You can add an image for that. And the thing you can just do, you can just set a few things here and there, and you can see how it look like. So from there, let's go to rotate, and you see left, and you have 0, and you don't have to rotate once you just turn it back to 0. And the other thing, you can just go, you can have some transparency for that, and you can also add the mouse effect. Once I just turn this on and you see the mouse, it will turn 3D. Whatever you just say, you say direct, it will just go like that. You can have so many effects you can also play with, and you can so it will just operate opposite. And remember, it's sticky, yeah, but you can see there's so many features you can just do with it. When you just come to, you can use the motion effect, and you can have the motion effect here. Once you just open for motion effect, we have scroll effect, and the other thing is the mouse effect, the one we were just scrolling. That's how you can be able to add a sticky section on scroll. It's so easy, but you just need Elementor Pro. And for you, if you don't have an Elementor, if you don't have Elementor Pro, I'll include my affiliate link on the description. Consider using it. You just pay the same amount, but I get some commission onto it. And without further ado, till next time, thank you.